Hello to everyone and welcome to the machine learning course. My name is Mahdi, data scientist and machine learning developer. In this video, we're just having a simple overview of what is going on in machine learning. Without further, let's go. First of all, let's answer this question. What is machine learning? Machine learning is a branch of AI where computers learn from data without being explicitly programmed. I have a picture here. As you guys can see, machine learning is a subfield of artificial intelligence. So when we're speaking about artificial intelligence, it is a very big field. And in another subfields, in the core of machine learning, we have deep learning, generative AI, and for more that we have GPT. So next, why is machine learning important? What's the importance of machine learning for us? I'm just going to answer this question by the usage of machine learning in different applications and businesses. As you guys can see here, there are a lot of businesses and applications that are using machine learning to integrate and improve their performance. For example, we have product recommenders that is going to be used in different selling and shopping websites. We have stock market trading, so like auto trading bots. We have a medical diagnosis where the laboratories use machine learning to find some cures and find the answer of their questions. For example, here we have speech recognition, traffic prediction, image recognition, and a lot more. So the importance of machine learning is very, very big. Next, how does machine learning work? Or what is the workflow of machine learning? First of all, here we have our data. Everything that we're just gonna have is using our data to create a model to get it into production and predict the stuff that we want. So it has different phases. We just gonna split the data into training and testing data, and we're just gonna use some algorithms, and we're just going to evaluate our model, and we're just going to put it into our model. Here there is a loop where our algorithm evaluates our data based on the structure that our algorithm has. And finally, we're just going to set the production data or the user input data to the model, and we're just going to get the predictions. So this is simply how the workflow of machine learning is. Next, let's speak about the types of machine learning that we're just gonna have. Simply, in general, we have three types of learning. So I'm just gonna say three types of learning. So the learning method, it matters. We have supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. That in our course, we're just gonna cover all of them with the fundamental and technical and have some projects with them. So for supervised learning, what is important? It is task-driven. We're just gonna predict based on the data that we know. In unsupervised learning, our data is unlabeled, and we're just gonna go data-driven, or we're just gonna kind of like identify our clusters or other methods. And in reinforcement learning, the model is gonna learn from its mistakes and improve its performance. As in next speech, we're just gonna take a look at what is going on in the future of machine learning. Is machine learning future-proof? Absolutely it is. So why? As this answer to this question, I just brought 5 machine learning trends to watch in the future. For example, we have the quantum computing effect. As a result, it reduces execution times in higher dimensional vector processing. It matters a lot in quantum computing. As another sample, the big model creation. So users can tailor such as an Uber ML model. Next, distributed machine learning portability. So that the businesses and this portability will eliminate the need for shifting to new toolkits constantly. This increases the speed and portability. No code environments. So as the coding, it gets minimized, and the effort of maximizing the access to machine learning programs, it reduces the time that we're spending just coding. And finally, we have quantum computing effect that as the result, reinforcement learning will shift economics, biology, and astronomy. And finally, let's speak about the machine learning in production that here I just made a mistake and I wrote AI in production. So we have two parts. model deployment, and model monitoring and evaluation. So we're just gonna deploy our model. It has a lot of strategies and steps. For example, we're just gonna containerize it, make it as an API, and that's we're just gonna develop it on a SaaS, micro SaaS, and a cloud service like AWS, Google Cloud. It has a lot of speech. That's we're just gonna cover all of this in our course. And we have model monitoring and evaluation. That's we're just gonna see how is the flow of model and users input, and we see the performance of our model, and we're just gonna improve it. Okay, so I think the speech is okay for this video. We're just gonna continue our speeches in the next video. So don't forget to follow our machine learning course. Don't forget to like, subscribe the channel, and leave a comment for us. Stay tuned.